So thank you, Yoza, for the introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Um, I'm thrilled to share my project about the healthcare AI companion. Um, this platform is designed to assist both patients and health professionals in navigating the challenge in the modern medicine. Um, the tool functions as a symptom checker, drug advisor, and real-time health insights all in one interface. And the idea behind this project is to empower the patients with the knowledge, make the healthcare more accessible, and reduce the burden on medical professionals. Over the next few minutes, um, I will um, I will walk through the problem that I'm addressing and the solution that I have developed and the future vision of this platform. So, first, understanding the symptoms can be daunting, and when someone experiences health concerns, they often turn to unreliable sources like search engines, which can lead to unnecessary anxiety or even misdiagnosis. I think we had all wrote our symptoms in the search engine, and we got all the as a diagnosis in the search engine as a cancer, which is not correct. And secondly, um, managing the medications is another common challenge. Many patients are on multiple medications, and they often lack the knowledge or tools to check if these drug interacts to safely. And this can also lead to harmful side effects or complications. And lastly, um, staying updated on diseases is kind of harder than ever. Medical research is advancing rapidly, and with new studies, treatments, and guidelines being published all the time. And patients and even doctors, it's finding challenging staying updated and informed about the last developments. So my solution is Healthcare AI Companion, a cutting-edge platform designed to address these three challenges. A symptom-based disease predictor helps patients make sense of their symptoms by providing um, AI-driven AI-driven insights into potential conditions. The second one, a drug interaction advisor, which uses a drug database to ensure that prescribed medications are safe to take together. And the third one is a disease news finder that delivers the latest medical research, articles, and the updates directly to patients and doctors. So together, these features and ecosystem to support making healthcare more transparent and efficient and patient-centered. So let's start with the first feature, the symptom-based disease predictor. Imagine a patient experiencing symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, and mild headache. And with the platform, the patient can simply input their symptoms and into the platform. Then the AI analyzes this input, drawing on, of course, on vast amount of medical data to suggest potential conditions. For example, it might be migraine, pneumonia, or even something very serious condition. And I just want to highlight one point. This feature is not meant to replace a doctor diagnosis. This is but just to act as a first step in the healthcare journey. Like it's like about bringing the gap between uncertainty and the action. This is just for the patients, not for the doctors. So, and the next, it's a drug interaction advisor. There's 2 points. In medicine, it's called polypharmacy. And this is when patients take multiple medications at once. It's increasingly common, especially for those with the chronic diseases. And many patients aren't aware of their medications might interact. And this can also lead to adverse effects, reducing drug efficiency and even life-threatening situations. And to address this problem, my platform leverages a database over 47,000 drug interactions, sourced platforms like DrugBank and Mendeley data. Of course, the process begins with the cleaning and merging to ensure the accuracy. And the data set has been classified and filtered and integrated into the Streamlit. And the feature allows to patients to input their medications and check for potential interactions. And the next one is the news finder, which I find particularly exciting. The world of medicine is constantly rapidly evolving. New studies, medical research, lab studies is every day publishing. Guidelines are publishing daily, and it's nearly impossible to anyone, for patients or even doctors, to keep up with everything. The disease news finder solved this problem by providing real-time updates tailored to users' needs. This feature is especially beneficial for patients who want to actively manage their conditions, and for the doctors who need to stay informed in their special fields. So I have a use case. Let's think that I just woke up and with a vomiting, indigestion, loss of appetite, passage of gases, and internal itching. So this is just my symptoms. Then I will input to my this is my input to my app, and that's it. Afterwards, I have to find a doctor. This is just information for me. I will show you a very short video soon. Then I went to my doctor, and my doctor said that I have a migraine. So afterwards, he wrote me the sulfate. But there's also two occasions there. There's a lot of people who doesn't want to share their regular medicine or medications in Germany. So as a patient, you can go home and check sulfate if there's an interaction with sulfate or digoxin. Or doctors are also human. I just trained my data on 47,000 drug interactions, but there's over 1 million drug interactions data. And of course, doctors cannot also know that. Doctor knows my history and he checks his cells. So then the news finder, I have a new disease. I want to stay updated. That's why I will search for migraine disease. So let's see now video. Okay, this is the my symptom-based disease finder. So I'm writing right now my symptoms. So continue sneezing. I'm gonna write swearing. Yeah, I think I will. I wrote also chills. Yeah, and yeah, watering from eyes. Yeah. Then, of course, it lists to me all of the possible disease, which is pretty normal. I mean, with this symptoms, you can have everything, anything. Yeah. So at that point, so you went to the doctor and you get your your medication. So you want to check if the new medication has an interaction with your regular medication. So, of course, it has the risk of adverse effects can be increased when sulfidine is combined with the digoxin. So, in this point, I just want to also highlight something. So, you can also here you can just call your doctor back, or you can just stop taking the digoxin, and you can also stop taking the digoxin. So there's a combined effect. It's increasing combined effect. So I run the news summarizer app before because it took like 5 minutes, and so you can write the disease, and I will get 5 articles, and they're summarized parts. And you can also click if you find something very interesting. So managing chronic pain, I found that interesting. Then I can read the article, for example, non-pharmacological ways to manage pain, which I am very highly interested. Then I have a future perspective. Like in disease prediction, it's a very high, it's very important part. Scraping the information on rare disease that's seen from publication, and I also see some most misdiagnosed disease in the world and its reasons, but I didn't have, of course, time. And for the doctors, we can write we can additional diagnostic data, including MRT, CT, or blood test results or urine results. And for the drug interaction, it will be amazing if incorporating a list of foods and minerals that may interact with drugs. For example, calcium. Calcium has adverse interaction with the antibiotics or grapefruit. You shouldn't take grapefruit or eat grapefruit when you take medications. And in the future, News Finder should summarize the recent scientific publication about disease. And this is just for doctors, and friendly explanation of these publications in patient-friendly explanation of these publications for the patients. Yeah.